What are your expectations for the Oppo Find X7 Pro? Are you anticipating an upgrade over its predecessor, the Oppo Find X6 Pro? With the buzz surrounding its launch, it's safe to say that the Find X7 Pro is not just another smartphone. As the successor to the Oppo Find X6 Pro, it's expected to carry the legacy forward while introducing a few surprises of its own. The rumor mill has been churning out tidbits about the phone, sparking curiosity and anticipation among tech enthusiasts worldwide. Whether you're hoping for a camera upgrade or a new design, the Oppo Find X7 Pro seems set to pique your interest. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more tech updates. The Oppo Find X7 Pro is stepping into big shoes following the Oppo Find X6 Pro, but how do they compare? Well, let's start with the camera module design. The Oppo Find X6 Pro had an impressive setup, but the X7 Pro takes it up a notch. It features an octagon-shaped module, nestled neatly at the top center of the handset's back panel. This unique design houses 4 camera sensors, a noticeable shift from the X6 Pro's layout. Diving deeper into the camera setup, the X7 Pro is rumored to flaunt dual periscope telephoto cameras. These are said to be equipped with a 50-megapixel sensor with 2.7 times optical zoom, and another 50-megapixel sensor with 6 times optical zoom. This is a significant improvement over the X6 Pro and may offer users a more versatile photography experience. The Oppo Find X7 Pro is also expected to be one of the first smartphones to use a Sony Lighty 900 sensor. This is a first even for Oppo, as the X6 Pro did not feature this technology. Now let's talk about Oppo's collaboration with Hasselblad. This partnership is set to develop the next generation of hypertone camera systems, starting with the Find X7 models. This system includes the Hypertone all-main camera system, Hypertone image engine, and Hypertone Pro XDR display. This is a significant step up from the X6 Pro and promises to deliver high image quality across all lighting conditions. Finally, the Oppo Find X7 Pro is likely to arrive with Qualcomm's latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 SoC. This is a major upgrade from the X6 Pro, which ran on the Snapdragon 888 chip. The new chip promises to deliver faster speeds and improved efficiency. With these upgrades, the Oppo Find X7 Pro is not just a successor to the Oppo Find X6 Pro, it's a leap forward. Now you're familiar with the Oppo Find X7 Pro's features, let's recap the key points. First and foremost, the Oppo Find X7 Pro is set to revolutionize smartphone photography with its distinct camera module design. The octagonal camera module, placed centrally on the back panel, houses 4 high-end camera sensors. The dual periscope telephoto cameras are a standout feature, each equipped with a 50-megapixel sensor and providing 2.7x and 6x optical zoom respectively. This design trend follows in the footsteps of previous Oppo models, such as the Oppo Find N3 Flip and the Oppo Find N3. Another key point is advanced camera setup. The Oppo Find X7 Pro is anticipated to be one of the first smartphones to utilize a Sony Lighty 900 sensor. This will offer users an unparalleled photography experience, capturing high-resolution images in a variety of lighting conditions. Furthermore, the Oppo Find X7 is the product of a fruitful collaboration with the renowned Swedish camera manufacturer Hasselblad. This partnership heralds the development of the next generation of Hypertone camera systems. This setup includes the Hypertone all-camera system, Hypertone image engine, and Hypertone Pro XDR display, which ensures high image quality for all focal lengths and lighting conditions. Last, but certainly not least, the Oppo Find X7 Pro is expected to be powered by Qualcomm's latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 SoC. This cutting-edge processor will enable lightning-fast performance, making the Oppo Find X7 Pro a formidable contender in the smartphone market. To wrap up, the Oppo Find X7 Pro promises a significant upgrade over its predecessor, especially in terms of camera capabilities. So are your expectations for the Oppo Find X7 Pro met? If you enjoyed this video, please hit the subscribe button.